Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It's important to eat a little salad every day as it helps our system to function better. Now, it doesn't have to be lettuce to be considered as a salad. In the past, I've shared many of them with you, like my asparagus summer salad, Greek salad, tabbouleh, pasta salad, and many more. Now, here's this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my mixed tomato salad. This is a great dish to make, and the flavors are just awesome. It also pairs very well with many grilled proteins. Although this is not a traditional salad dish per se, it's definitely one of my favorites. So my friends, let's get cooking. These are our cherry tomatoes that we've washed, and as you can see, there's a beautiful mix of colors. You can use all red if you want, but I think the mix makes it more appealing. So what we'll do is to cut them in half, unless they're very small, and transfer them to a mixing bowl. To this, we'll add chopped shallots and pressed garlic. Next, we'll take a few basil leaves and stack them. Then we'll roll them tightly like I'm doing here and chop. This is how we do a chiffonade. Now, because we'll add the basil leaves to the salad, we'll chop them finer before transferring them to the bowl. We'll also add finely chopped oregano and bocconcini that we cut in half. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll gently toss until the ingredients are well combined, put the lid on, and transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour. Now, let's make the vinaigrette. In a small container, we'll add extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, granulated sugar, and a little bit of hot paprika. We'll cover, give it a good shake so everything is well blended, and transfer it as well to the fridge until ready to serve. Now, before we pour the vinaigrette over the salad, we'll give another good shake just to make sure it's well mixed. We'll pour it and gently toss the salad until the ingredients are well coated. And my friends, this is our mixed tomato salad. Incredibly flavorful, this is a recipe you have to make. It's easy, tasty, and also very healthy. This is a delicious change from a garden salad and a great side dish to pair with many proteins. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!